Hey, I found a bug with WebKit speech recognition which can cause the user's machine, his browser, to become unresponsive and use up all the available CPU. I will show how this can happen and how this can be exploited by a malicious user to make the user's browser unresponsive and even crash it. So first, a little intro. There's a common issue in WebKit speech recognition in Chrome, where after a while it just stops listening. You start a new session of WebKit speech recognition. It runs fine for a while, and then after a while it just stops. So a common thing to do is to add to bind the onend event and cause it to restart. Basically just add these 3 lines. As you start speech recognition, and when it ends you restart it, because unless of course you're the one who ended it, and then you don't. But in this example it just restarts it. So let's look at this. Let's look here. It starts, I give it permission, it works fine. Now the thing is, you see it just stopped, and I wasn't the one who stopped it. It just stopped, and then of course it restarted. It's working, and sometimes it just stops, as you just saw. Now the thing is, if I would open this browser, this tab again in another tab, what would happen now is that they would be fighting each other, as you can see. Each tab has an instance of speech recognition starting, which stops the one in the other tab, causing it to restart and stopping the one in the original tab, and so on to infinity. As you can see, this makes the CPU go crazy. You can see how it went up. I'm not sure you can hear it, but my fan just started running like crazy. You might be able to hear it. As soon as I will close one of the windows, CPU goes down. You can see. Now, this could happen without any malicious intent, just by having 2 sites that use this trick to do speech recognition and restart it. Just either 2 different sites, or having one site that uses speech recognition open in more than one tab, which is very common. Now, this could also be done by a malicious user using just one tab. This is the same code, only duplicated twice. So you have two instances of speech recognition, each of them starting, and as soon as they stop, they will restart themselves. So let's open it in one tab. No need for 2 tabs now in this. Let's see, the CPU is already crazy. That's because Chrome is already opened it. As you can see, CPU goes crazy. It's completely unresponsive here. I can't really use the web dev tools. Can't even close them. Right click. Well, right click works. Allowing doesn't do anything because it's just stuck in an endless repeat. Barely works. And you can hear the fan going crazy again. Now, let's do this even worse. I close this, CPU goes down, crashes. Let's open 1,000 instances of it. CPU immediately goes up. 166%. I've seen it go as high as almost 200%. Let's right click and open the web dev tools. And almost 180% CPU. It goes crazy. It's actually not that bad now. Last time I tried it, I couldn't right click the page. I couldn't open the web developer tools. It's actually not that bad right now. Okay. It's a little worse now, 185%. It's 180% CPU, and I've seen it go worse and cause the mouse to be sluggish. The web developer tools here, it's not responding now again. Beach ball. And Chrome just quit. So let's look at the same thing on XP here with a 1 core. This is just the simple version that requires opening it twice. Let's open it again. Boom, CPU shoots up to 100% on this single core machine. Thank you.